Good morning, children. In our previous period, we have completed the use of a and articles. We have seen how to use a and an for singular objects. Both articles are we use for singular object. For noun that begin with consonant, we use that a article. And for singular object, for singular noun that begins with vowel, we can use an article. But the last rule also we saw that whenever the noun begin with consonant and it produce vowel sound, then we should write an in front of that noun. Okay, for example, an honest. Okay, and whenever the noun begins, though noun begins with vowel and it produces consonant sound, you should write o before that noun. For example, a uniform, a university, in this way. Okay, so don't write that a and blindly. You should first pronounce it, and according to that sound produce, you should fill in the blanks a और an. Okay, ऐसे ही नहीं लिखना है. अगर ये रूल भी है तो उसका एक साउंड वाला भी रूल है. कंसोनेंट साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है या वॉवेल साउंड. सो पहले ये देख लीजिए. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, now I am going to explain you article the. So when we use article the, and what is the importance and of this article in our sentence. The is very important article in our sentence or in text. And how to use that? So the is used for singular object. But with singular object, that is universal truth. ये दुनिया में कोई भी नहीं है. See, ये हम ये बोल सकते हैं an apple, that is also singular. So we can use because it begin with consonant because it begin with vowel, we can use here and. Okay, तो ये ऐसा है कि दुनिया में कोई भी एप्पल नहीं है. No, just for this situation it is singular, but after some times or in other situation it may be plural. At that time we can use the. Okay, but in some cases there is no plural form. For example, sun, moon, the earth. We have to write the in front of these words. Sun, there is no other sun. So moon, we can't write that plural of moon, moons, no other moon. And then earth, though it begins with e, that is vowel, we should write here the, because it is universal truth. है, एक ही पृथ्वी, एक ही धरती माता है और कोई नहीं है, तो हम उसे कोई ए एंड नहीं लगाएंगे. अगर ये ई से भी स्टार्ट है तो यू कांट राइट देयर एंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट. यू हैव टू राइट द. एक ही होती है दुनिया में और दूसरी होने वाली भी नहीं है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ. नेक्स्ट, द इज यूज फॉर नाउन यूज्ड अर्लियर. मतलब पहले अगर हमने कोई नाउन यूज़ किया है तो सेकंड टाइम हम उसके बारे में कुछ बोलते हैं तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? द. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव दिस बुक. सो व्हाट आई कैन से अबाउट दिस बुक? दिस इज माई बुक. ओके, दिस इज अ बुक. ओके, फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम व्हाट आई सेड, दिस इज अ बुक और दिस इज माई बुक. ये हो गया बुक के बारे में. बुक, फर्स्ट टाइम आई यूज बुक. देन फॉर सेकंड टाइम व्हाट आई कैन यूज? द बुक इज ग्रीन and yellow in color. Second sentence what I said, the book is green and yellow in color. Why I am not saying that a book? ये तो एक ही है ना. And book begins with consonant, so I have to, according to that rule, I have to say that book. A book है ना, a book बोलना चाहिए ना. But this is not correct. For second time, whatever the noun you use for first time, for second time, for that we can use the. We can use the. समझ में आया? So in this way, the is used for noun used earlier. For example, a tree is green. Okay, the tree has many leaves. When first I said that, I said a tree is green. Okay, so what second sentence may be? The tree has many leaves. Okay, so children, now I am going to explain you from textbook. see in textbook the. Okay, so read the story. Peter Patter, I can hear the rain. Says mom. Rain और ये सब कैसे होता है? Singular, rain भी है ना. तो हाँ, look at the clouds. For clouds also we can use the. In the sky, the clouds, the sun, the moon. The sun is behind them, said dad. Sun कहाँ है? Behind the clouds. The pets are scared. Don't worry, the thunder is far away. See the thunder, the lightning, the thunder, says Mita. Okay, ये सारे words कैसे? Proper, and that's why we can use for them the. Do you think Mita is worried? Why do you think so? Who does mom hear? और थंडर को सुन रही है ना मम्मा. थंडरिंग मीन्स जो बिजली की आवाज़ होती है. What does dad see through the window? Dad see the pitter patter rain here. Look at the clouds in the sky. The sun is behind them. Okay, so what is behind the cloud? Sun is behind the cloud. ये पापा ने क्या देखा है? Clouds देखे है ना sky में. Next, Peter Patter rain. Mama saw this. Okay, next, fill in the blanks. Fill in each blank with a word from the story above. Okay, sun का picture है तो the sun, and this is a picture of clouds, so they are 2 in number, so we can say the clouds. Then rain, the rain. Then here the sun, the apple, because it is particular, that's why. The bag, this is particular bag, that's why. And it is the cap, is very pretty. Then we use the to talk about the particular things. All these are particular things. Okay, that's why here we have written the things. We also use the before naming words. Okay, when we speak about things that are only one of their kind. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. Okay, all these things are singular. Next, see, fill in each blank with the correct word from the bracket. 2 words are given to you in bracket and you have to write correct one. A and the sun. So before sun we can write the. Okay, then A and the sky. Again for sky we can use the. Then again moon. For moon also we can use blindly we can use that the for moon. And last for the rain. For rain also we can use the. And see in this box some pictures are given to you and you have to write them in column A and. How we can use them in A and column? So see, this is first is that orange. So where you can put orange in the column, it is given to you. Orange and cucumber are given to you. So next is that is tomato. So tomato, it is singular and it begins with consonant, so you can write it in A column. Then again that is apple, so it is singular and begin with vowel, so you can put it in an column. Okay, next is carrot. As usual it is singular and begin with consonant, you can put it in that column A. And egg is also singular, begin with E vowel, again you should put it in vowel. And then onion, it is also singular, begin with O. And pumpkin, it is also singular and begin with consonant, and that's why we should put it in column of A. Okay, in this way we have completed our A and. Next, fill in the blanks below with A and the. We went to the beach on Sunday. Okay, beach, we went to beach on Sunday. Okay, then what happened? The sun hai to the was bright, so we sat under the shade of a tree. That we are using that tree for first time, so it is a tree. And mom, dad and I splashed in the स्प्लैश मीन्स पानी छिड़कना. हम जो कहीं बीच पे जाते हैं तो हम कैसे करते हैं, पानी उड़ाते हैं ना, दैट इज स्प्लैश. स्प्लैश्ड. ओके. इन द सी है, दैट्स वाई दिस इज सी एक ही ये पर्टिकुलर है वहाँ का, दैट्स वाई वी कैन राइट हियर दैट द फॉर सम टाइम, बहुत थोड़ी देर के लिए हमने सब पे पानी भी उड़ाया एक दूसरे के ऊपर. आई हैड एन आइसक्रीम. आइसक्रीम एक ही है तो आई हैड, मैंने आइसक्रीम लिया. मॉम हैड एन एप्पल. मम्मी ने एक ही एप्पल खाया, सो दैट इज़ एन एप्पल. And dad had a banana. That banana begins with consonant, and though it is singular we can write here o. And it was a wonderful day. In this way we enjoyed that day. Okay, so children, again here we have completed our lesson 4 and all textbook exercise also of lesson 4. So children, bye, see you soon. Okay, till you can practice this articles a and the. Okay.